So beyond just creating text and titles, HTML has certain structures, such as lists, that make displaying information easier, because it'll look after certain aspects of the formatting for you. For example, there are three kinds of lists. We have an ordered list that will automatically number each point you put into the list. So of course you'd use that when the order matters. We have unordered lists, which use symbols, such as circles or squares, to make bullets for each point you put in the list. And we have definition lists, which will create a definitions dictionary style entry on the HTML page. So we'll start with ordered lists. Ordered lists count up numerically for each item on the list. How they work is that at the top and bottom of your list, you're going to open and close an OL tag. OL, of course, standing for ordered list. This tells your browser that you want to put a list here, but this by itself will do nothing. In order to actually write the list, you're going to need to surround each point that you make in LI tags. LI stands for list item. So every item on your list needs to have an open LI and a closed LI around it in order for your list to display properly. And if you ever forget to close like the ordered list or any of the LI tags, what'll usually happen is you'll end up with a bunch of extra indentation or random symbols that you don't want. So just be careful that you're opening and closing each point. So we're just going to copy this onto our testing.html page, maybe just under here somewhere. That'll create our ordered list. Unordered lists work almost the exact same way. There's only actually one difference, and that is instead of ordered list, we have UL for unordered list. So again, we're just going to copy this and paste it down here. Now on the other hand, definition lists will work quite a bit differently than ordered and unordered lists because there's more terms to it. Instead of using symbols, it uses spacing. It starts out the same. You will start your definition list with the DL tag. But instead of just a list item, there's going to be two parts. You need to define the term with DT, definition term, that you're going to define. And then you'll provide the definition for that term under it with DD tags. And if you wanted to keep doing multiple terms, you would just keep going in that order. Your definition term and your definition. So again, if we just copy this, we could paste it here. And to see what all of these look like, we'll just run this and refresh our page. And you can see my ordered list at the top here, automatically numbered, 1 and 2. My unordered list automatically added circular bullets. And my definition list gave me my term, and then indented and gave me the definition for that term, for each of my terms. So those are the three kinds of lists. So one more thing you might be interested in doing with your lists is changing the appearance by changing the list symbol. So you can change the appearance of the number or symbol of your ordered and unordered lists by simply setting up rules for them that change the list style type. For example, if you wanted your ordered list to have upper Roman numbers and you wanted your unordered list to have squares instead of circles, you could just copy these two rules here. Paste them onto your testing style sheet. And if we run this and refresh our page, we'll see that this is now the Roman numeral 1 and 2. And these are now squares instead of circles. So that's how you can customize your lists a little more if you want to make them stand out. And that is the lab exercise here.